subject-verb agreement. That politicians accept kickbacks blank a major reason why public funds are mismanaged. Is or are. Ang subject ng buong sentence na to ay hindi politicians. Baka kasi dyan kayo tumingin. Ang subject ng sentence na to ay etong buo na to. That politicians accept kickbacks. Yan ang buong subject ng sentence. Ang tawag natin dyan is clausal subject. Isang buong clause kasi siya. Yung politicians, embedded subject siya ng buong clause na yan. So, hindi natin siya pagbabasihan ng subject-verb agreement nito namang buong sentence na to. So, ganito lang ang tatandaan. Kapag meron kayong clausal subject, lagi yang singular. Alright? So, ang tamang sagot is that politicians accept kickbacks is a major reason why public funds are mismanaged.